Hello students, welcome back to the English session. Open your textbook to page number 16. Children, we all know this, that for the independence of India, many people, many great leaders have fought for the independence of India. Today, let us study one of the great leader who fought for the independence of India. He is none other than Mahatma Gandhi. So let us study something about him. Mahatma Gandhi, he was lovingly called as Bapu or Bapuji, and he was called as the father of the nation. Mahatma Gandhi was one of the greatest leaders of the world. Other leaders win the wars by hurting others and killing them. So children, when people they want to have freedom from somebody, so they fight for it, they kill someone. But Mahatma Gandhi was not of that idea. He have won the war by not hurting others, by not killing the people. Then how did he won the war? Let us see. Mahatma Gandhi, he did not use any arms, any weapons like guns, rifles or bombs. He did not use any such kind of weapons. But still he won the war. That is, he won the war of India's independence. So let us see how did he won the war. Children, here you can see the picture of Mahatma Gandhi ji when he was young. Gandhi ji was a man of iron will. Iron will means if he decided to do something, he did it no matter how difficult it was. So children, if you also decide to do something in your life, for example, if you decide that I will get good marks in English, you have to work very hard for it no matter what condition comes or whatever difficulties come in your way. So one day what happened children? Let us see. One day he decided that he would have an early morning prayer every day. From that day onwards, he never missed the prayer. So children, this is one of the incident from Gandhiji's life. One day he decided that he will have an early morning prayer. He decided that in the morning I will get up, no matter how hot it is, no matter how cold it is, no matter if it is raining. But still he decided that early in the morning I will get up and I will have my early morning prayer. So from that particular day when he decided, then he started his early morning prayer, and one day also he never missed his prayers. Gandhiji gave a lot of importance to truth, simplicity and non-violence. Non-violence means not hurting others. Means he was loving all such quality. He was a very truth person. He never used to speak lie. He used to love simplicity, that is to be very simple in life, and non-violence, that is not hurting others. Gandhiji's dress was very simple. Just a loincloth, means a dhoti worn above the knees, and sometimes a shawl. Could he not afford fancy fashionable clothes children? Was he so poor? No, not at all. He could afford it. But this simple loincloth was a deliberate choice. Deliberate means his own choice. He was wearing such kind of clothes purposely. But what is the story behind this? How did he make this choice? So let us see the story behind this. Once Gandhiji was on a lecture tour in Odisha. Usually, men and women gathered in large numbers to listen to him. But in Odisha, however, women were not seen at this public meetings or lectures. Gandhiji was very surprised why many ladies are not seen to listen to my lecture. On making enquiries, Gandhiji found that the people in that part of the country were so poor that their women had not a decent thing to wear. Now children, we all know this, that when we go out of the house, we wear good decent clothes, good looking clothes. But here the people, the women of that part of the country at that time, they were so poor that they were not having good clothes to wear. So the people, the women, they did not come out to listen to Gandhiji's lecture. Therefore, they kept away from the public functions. Gandhiji was deeply pained to hear this. So, from that day onwards, he decided to wear the bare minimum of clothes. Bare minimum means very simple clothes, that is, only that much clothes which are necessary to cover the important parts of the body. Be it cold or hot, he never changed his simple dress. So, children, this is the story behind why Gandhiji used to wear just a dhoti and sometimes a shawl. Because when he heard about the Odisha's incident, when he saw that the people they are not coming out to listen to the lecture, when he inquired, he came to know that the people they are so poor that they cannot buy good clothes to cover themselves. So from that day onwards, he decided that I am also going to be like them only. I am going to wear only simple clothes because the people of my country, they are so poor that they cannot afford to buy dresses.